Hi everyone, Alan here from Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews. Just thought I'd let you in on a little package that I received today. Paid £9.50 I think it was, all in for a couple of mobile phones. That included delivery. Now I appreciate the title of the video has got unboxing, but I mean, to be absolutely fair, to send a couple of mobile phones via something as flimsy as this is frankly a bit of a disgrace. Anyway, here we go. But hopefully it's got a couple in. Well, we have got two. Come on out. So we should have, if I can just get into it here. Actually, this is probably better packaged than this thing. Absolute rubbish. We have a 6230. Screen's not fantastic. And this should be, sorry, yeah, 6230. Yeah. I've already done a video on the 6230i if you have a look through the playlists there, and this should be a Nokia 6100, and it is. Let's have a look. Okay, that was the main thing. So it was a cheap, it had untested, but on the eBay screen, or on the eBay site, it had both screens on, and it was only $6.50 or something like that. So I thought, oh well, at least I've got half a chance of it working. And here we are, both batteries are low, never mind. So what do you think, grade B, grade C? Okay, on with the review. So what did you think of the packaging? Do you think it went a little bit over the top? Would you send a mobile phone with just that packaging? Because I certainly wouldn't. Anyway, here we've got the black Nokia 6230, and on the left there the silver 6230i. I've already done a review for that, so if you look in the description there, I'll put the link in. The 6230 is 97 grams, which is a couple of grams lighter than its brother, the 6230i. Released in 2003, this is again the younger version of the i version. However, the 6230 did have a US version. Both phones were 2G. Naturally, as you would expect, both phones shared a lot in common. The display size was 1.5 inches, which was 27 by 27 millimeters. Both used a mini SIM, and the dimensions of the body were 103 by 44 by 20 millimeters. However, there was a difference in the resolution. The 6230 was 128 by 128 pixels at around 121 pixels per inch. However, the older brother was 208 by 208 and around 196 points per inch. Both handsets were equipped with a card slot. The 6230 had 32 meg included, and the 6230i could go up to 512 meg. One of the major differences between these two handsets was the quality of the camera. The 6230i came in at 1.3 megapixels, and the black one there, the 6230, unfortunately just had 0.3 meg. Taking a look at the comms, both handsets came equipped with Bluetooth and an infrared port, and you could tune into your favourite radio station. The The 6230i wins hands down with regards to battery life. You've got a standby time of 300 hours for the i and talk time for 5 hours. For the 6230, you had 150 to 300 hours and talk time of around 3.5 to 5 hours. So all in all, not a bad handset at all. Obviously not as accomplished as its younger brother, the i, the silver one there. I think it's fair to say that it wouldn't win any awards in how it looks. Another one of the pros is the operating system, so the menu system. There was no shocks or surprises for this model. Some of the cons included a apparently hefty price tag for a premium mobile phone out in that day. Another one was the battery life, which apparently didn't last that long. And of course, as I mentioned a little bit earlier on, the camera was a little bit on the weak side at 0.3 megapixels. I hope you've enjoyed this little trip down memory lane for me, Alan, at Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews. If you have, hit the like bell and the subscribe and you'll be notified of new video releases in the future. Thanks for watching.